Hello, good morning, students, and good morning, friends. Okay, today in my lecture, we are going to discuss some very important example based on flywheel and its turning moment diagram. Okay, so we are going to solve one example based on this turning moment diagram of flywheel. So, here is the statement of this example. The crank effort diagram for a 4-stroke cycle gas engine may be assumed to for simplicity of 4 rectangles areas of which line of zero pressure are power stroke is equal to 6000 mm square, exhaust stroke 500 mm square, suction stroke 300 mm square, compression stroke 1500 mm square. Each square mm represents 10 Newton into meter, assuming the resisting torque to be uniform. Find number 1 power of the engine, number 2 energy to be stored by the flywheel, number 3 mass of the flywheel rim of 1 meter radius to limit the total fluctuation of speed plus or minus 2% of the mean speed of 150 rpm. This is the statement. Okay, now basically this type of example, there are 4 strokes. Okay, obviously it is a 4-stroke cycle engine, so it will be a 4-stroke, but here 4-stroke and is given to you power stroke, exhaust stroke, suction stroke and compression stroke, and its value is also given to you. Okay, so now also in torque it is given that it represents 10 Newton into meter. Okay, so some area information is given to you and torque information is given to you. Okay, now how to draw turning moment diagram? Okay, obviously it is given to you in the statement that there are 4 simple rectangles और उसके areas दी गए हैं आपको. Okay, so how to draw turning moment diagram of this type of example? Okay. Okay, so first we are going to draw this turning moment diagram of the given statement. Okay, obviously there are 4 strokes, so we are considering 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi and 3 pi to 4 pi. For 4-stroke engines there are 4 strokes. Okay, first one is the suction stroke, then compression stroke, then power stroke and exhaust stroke. Okay, these are the 4 strokes given to you. Okay, so this way we are going to draw this type of 4 rectangles here. Okay, okay, maximum is the 6000 mm square, it is the expansion stroke. Okay, this is the simple turning moment diagram of this flywheel given to you. Okay, now we are going to move further for the solution. So 3 things we have to define, we have to determine here. Okay, first is the power of the engine, so first we have to develop the power. Okay, then energy to be stored by the flywheel. अभी जो energy flywheel, what is the meaning of flywheel, क्या what function of the flywheel? बेसिकली फ्लाईव्हील हम किसे बोलते हैं कि जो हम पावर स्ट्रोक दे रहे हो पावर स्ट्रोक की तरफ घूमेगा, पर जो एक्सेस जो एनर्जी होगी वो एक्सेस एनर्जी वो स्टोर करेगा. जब भी हमको वो एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है तो हम उसका हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं एक्सेस एनर्जी का. तो फ्लाईव्हील क्या करता है, वो एक्सेस एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग पावर स्ट्रोक जो होती है वो स्टोर करता है. तो वो हमको एनर्जी टू बी स्टोर बाय द फ्लाईव्हील भी फाइंड करना है, देन फ्लाईव्हील का मास फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो solution, first of all we have written this value. 4-stroke cycle है तो crank angle per cycle it's 4 pi radius. crank angle per cycle it is the 4 pi radius 4-stroke cycle के लिए. ठीक है, अब रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन ऑफ के इज गिवन टू यू 1 मीटर. जो थर्ड वन हमको थिंग फाइंड करने है उसके दिया गया है रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन के 1 मीटर. देन मेन स्पीड n इज इक्वल टू 150 rpm. देन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशन ऑफ स्पीड प्लस और माइनस 2% इज गिवन टू यू, so it is 0.02. okay, total fluctuation is equal to 2 into fluctuation on either side plus or minus 2%. so दोनों तरफ 2% हो सकता है, तो maximum is 4%, so it is 0.04. now speed n is given to you 150 rpm, but we need omega here, angular velocity. so omega is finded, omega is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60, so it is also finded. Now here we have to find the work done during the cycle. Okay, अभी ये चीज़ में क्या होता है, सक्शन, कंप्रेशन और एग्जॉस्ट सभी में हमको वर्क देना पड़ेगा, यानी सभी में हमको वर्क देना पड़ेगा और एक्सपेंशन स्ट्रोक है वहां पे वर्क हमको मिलेगा. सो बेसिकली वर्क डन पर साइकिल इज गिवन बाय work done during expansion minus work done during other strokes. Okay, work done per cycle is given by the equation. For the flywheel particular, it is given by work done during the expansion minus work done during the other stroke. Okay, this is very important equation. Okay, so this equation is very important. Okay, here work done per cycle is equal to work done during expansion minus work done during the other strokes. Okay, so moving forward, so it is 3700 mm square I. Okay, now we have to find actual work done per cycle. So it is the 3700 into scale of diagram. Have a scale of diagram here. Scale is given to you. स्केल आपको दिया गया था 10 न्यूटन पर 10 न्यूटन इंटू mm. That was given to you. Each rectangle represent this. So we are multiplying by 10. So we are getting work done per cycle 37000 Newton into meter. Okay, good. Okay, now we are moving for power developed by the engine. अभी मीन टॉर्क भी हमको फाइंड करना है. तो as per our discussion in last lecture, the mean torque is equal to work done per cycle divided by crank angle per cycle. So it is 37,000 divided by 4 pi. So we are getting the mean torque 2944.4 Newton into meter, obviously. Okay, so now this power developed by the engine. Okay, as we all know that very simplest equation for finding out power for this particular file is the mean torque into the angular velocity. Okay, mean torque into the angular velocity. So it is directly power developed by the engine. It is 46.256 kilowatt. Okay, now second thing we have to find is the energy stored by the flywheel. Okay, so it is generalized equation for energy stored. E is equal to pi into T max minus Tm. So it is the maximum torque minus the mean torque. Okay, so work done during expansion is equal to T max into pi. Okay, अभी expansion के दौरान क्या work done होगा? So it is the maximum torque into the pi. Okay, maximum torque into the pi. Okay, pi is it is the rectangle, so we can directly find out the area by using the length into width. Okay, so this way here we can find out the work done during expansion. अभी expansion stroke. Okay, this is the expansion stroke. Okay, this one is the expansion stroke. अभी expansion stroke में हम देखेंगे. So it is the T max into pi. So this is the T max. Okay, this is representing the T max. This is the maximum. Okay, T max it is the length and it is the pi. Pi here it is the pi. This thing is the pi. It is the width. Okay, so work done during expansion T max into pi. Okay. So this way we are directly going to find the value of Tx max because work done during expansion is already found and it is given to you 6000. Okay, into 10 it is the scale given to you is equal to T max into pi. So we can directly find out the value of T max here, maximum torque. Okay, अभी maximum torque की value find करने के बाद वही value हम put करेंगे आगे के equation में. So it is E is equal to pi T max minus Tm. So directly we can find out the energy stored by the flywheel. Okay. Okay, now moving further, mass of the flywheel. Now third thing we have to define is the mass of the flywheel. Okay, now as we all know that there is an equation of energy stored by the flywheel. E is equal to m k square omega square cs, where m is the mass, k is the radius of gyration, omega is the angular velocity and cs is the coefficient of fluctuation of speed. So all the values are with us. We can directly find out the value of mass of the flywheel. So it is m is equal to 5140.64 kg. So we can solve this type of example by using this methodology. In next lecture we are going to solve a second problem, but it will be based on this not 4-cycle engine, it will be on the multi-cylinder engine. Okay, so that we will study in our next lecture. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture and you have found the method of finding out this type of things by using this method of using turning moment diagram of the flywheel. Okay, thank you.